For demonstration purposes, I'm going to use Gmail to type a very short email to my friend at Alpha Touch, and I'll give you a demonstration of how the application works and the nuts and bolts of what you need to know, which is quite simple. This is set in the expert mode, which is obviously the simplest mode to use, believe it or not. When I'm ready to type the letter, I hit the button that says Compose Mail, and as you can see, the QWERTY keyboard has been replaced by what we call the alpha-numeric line, with A all the way to the left and Z all the way to the right. Over here there is a return key, there's a backspace key, here is the space bar, there's a little key in the corner which gives you choices of symbols, numbers, and letters. I call it the cornerstone key. Right now it is set to allow me to type using alphabet. You really don't realize how simple this is for use, and it allows people who don't know the QWERTY keyboard or who have large fingers a very nice way of typing, texting, word processing, dialing telephone numbers. It's completely integrated with every application that runs on the Android system. So for this purpose demonstration, I'm going to type a note saying, "Hello, Bob. I hope you have a nice day. Please meet me for lunch later." I'm going to type, as you see, as I get close to the letter and get over it, it turns from black to green, I'm sorry, and the two letters to either side of it are illuminated in white. If I've hit the H directly on, which I have, I simply let go. You hear a click like a typewriter, and the H appears in the text line. I know it's very hard to see on this small screen. It's even harder to see it for demonstration purposes on a telephone. I'm going to continue typing the rest of my message. I'm also filming this at the same time, so please bear with me. I'm going to hit the E. I hit it directly on. Then I'm going to go for the L, O, space, capital B, O, B. Hello, Bob has appeared. I then hit the tab down here for the new line. New line appears to type the rest of the text of my message. I'm going to say, "Good morning, G, O, D, space, M, O, R, N, I, N, G, hit the return key, and then as you notice, as I get close to the keys and hit, the letters illuminate and change. I could actually go above them, I can go below them, but for demonstration purposes I'm trying to hit them as closely as possible. And now I'm going to continue typing the rest of my message while I videotape this, so please bear with me. Space. I missed the, so I go hit the backspace. You hear a double tap sound when you hit the backspace. U, A, or now there I made a mistake because I went too fast. I hit the R. Remember, I'm videotaping this and also doing a demonstration at the same time. Just bear with me. As you see, I'm hitting the letters correctly right after the other. I'm gonna hit the G instead of the H by mistake. And all I want to show you is that if I did that, do not let go of the screen. Just bring your finger across, hit the correct letter, let go. So you have audio, visual, and tactile feedback. Hit the return button. I'm going to write "Have a nice morning." As you can see, the letters are changing colors, so you know I'm hitting the right on. If I miss a letter, I just simply roll my finger over the whole. It changes from right to left. The letters illuminate from white to green. I hit the right letter, I let go. O, R, N, I, N, G. Hit the return key. I'm going to hit my name, capital J, A, C, K. Now the letter is done. Here it appears in the alpha box, which is part of the Google Mail program. There's a button here in the corner that says done. I hit done. This is what the message looks like. I didn't put a subject field in. And the nice thing about the Android system is I could send this message by just tapping the button up here. Send message. It gets asked a second time, and I hit OK, and the message is being sent right now. As you can see, it said sending message. So going back, this is the home screen of the Android Acer tablet. I'm going to open up a program here called Spell Checker, and tap Spell Checker. It opens up. It's loading. This is a internet-based word checking system, so you have to be connected to Wi-Fi for this to work. But I want to just demonstrate here how it will correct misspelled typing in the letter that I'm going to write to Bob. I tap in anywhere in the screen, and the alpha-numeric line appears. Once again, you can see the return key, the backspace key, the space bar, the cornerstone key, which gives you the symbols. I will go through some of the symbols with you right now. I'm going to illuminate it by touching it. That brings us the lowercase letters, A all the way to the left, Z all the way to the right. That's all you need to know is the alphabet to use this wonderful system. I hit the cornerstone key again. I get the number check. Here are our numbers. If I wanted to dial a telephone number or do calculations, I could use this. If I hit it again, cornerstone key, it gives me more symbols: plus, minus, asterisk, /, equal, punctuation signs, at, number sign, dollar sign, parentheses, so forth and so on. If I hit the cornerstone key again, my alpha-numeric line appears. I will just show you again a quick demonstration of how the letters change colors. I'm going to write good morning. It turned from black to green. It goes back to capitalization. I'm going to go back to lowercase. G. You see the E and the F the E and F illuminate white. I don't want those. H and I don't want. It's the G letter that I want. And I hit G and let go. And we go over to O, I hit it direct on, it turned green. Hit it again, turned green. It's up in the text bar. I'm going to go for the D now. It turned from black to green. I let go. Space. You hear one click. You're ready to type your next word. I'm looking through the viewfinder of the phone, of a iPhone, to do this, so it's not as easy as it appears. But when you're using your hands directly, it's much quicker, and you could use 2 fingers. O, R, N is I. I didn't hit it quite on, so it changed it. N and G. I didn't hit it quite on, G. And there it appears in the text field. Now, with this program, it gives you the ability to correct spelling. So I hit check spelling. No errors detected. Go back. I go back to regular typing, and then I could hit the send button here. It allows me to either send this message via Bluetooth, Gmail, or any of the social joggers, either Facebook or Twitter, and I do that and off goes the message. The Android system is totally awesome, interactive. It gives you many options of sending messages and texting, but this is a very quick demonstration of the TouchText software in action. Thank you very much for watching. We'll try to make more high quality videos in the future.